Hey everyone! Welcome back to the VideoProc Vlogger channel. The new year is right around the corner. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a cool New Year's greeting card using VideoProc Vlogger. If this sounds interesting, keep watching. First thing first, we need to prepare some materials. We'll need a background video, a nice floral pattern image, and a green screen clip. You can find the links to download this in the comments. Once you've got this, open up VideoProc Vlogger. Go ahead and import the green screen clip and drop it onto the overlay track. Size it to fit the screen. In the inspector panel, look for Chroma key. And check Enable to remove the blue. Now, this part is important. We need to fine-tune the tolerance and smoothness in there. We want to keep the white edges and that torn paper look. Alright, the next step is to import the floral pattern image we prepared to the video track. Now, the unboxing effect at the beginning is complete. Next, click here to export this clip. Delete all the contents on the timeline. Then, re-import the video we just exported back into VideoProc Vlogger and drag it onto the overlay track. Fit it to the screen. Drag the playhead to find the part with the green screen. In the inspector panel, find the Chroma key. Click this small box. Use the eyedropper to select the green color from the video. Click down and check Enable. Next, import a background image into VideoProc Vlogger and drag it into the video track. Then select the material on the overlay track. Drag the playhead to the moment when the packaging is completely torn open. Use the shortcuts key to mark this moment. Then click here to enter the motion editor. Drag the playhead to the marked position. Then add a keyframe and fit the selection box to the screen. After that, add a second keyframe after about 1 second. And slightly shrink the selection box, but be careful to make the right side of the image completely green. Changing the speed mode below to smooth speed down number 1. Add a keyframe at the far right of the timeline. Then click Apply to return to the main interface. Next, let's select the material on the video track. Based on the markers on the overlay track, place markers in the same positions. Enter the motion editor and place the first keyframe at the marked position. Then fit the selection box to the screen. Drag the playhead forward by about 1 second and add a second keyframe. This time, making the selection box smaller. Changing the speed mode to smooth speed down number 1, and place a keyframe at the far right of the timeline. Click Apply to go back to the main interface. This can give a zoom-in effect to the whole scene. Now we can import some decorative images. Create a new overlay track and drag the images onto the new track. After fitting its size to the screen, go into the motion editor. Add a keyframe on the left side of the timeline and fit this selection box to the screen. Move it downwards. Then move the playhead forward by about 20 frames. Add the second keyframe over here. Observe the preview window on the right. Adjust the decorative element to the desired position. If you want the animation effect to look better, just add an extra keyframe in the middle and move the selection box up further. Then, changing the speed mode to speed down. Select the third keyframe and change its speed mode to speed up. Finally, add a keyframe at the end of the timeline, and then click Apply to go back to the main interface. Of course, feel free to add various decorative stickers according to your own preferences. That's it for today's video. If you want to learn more editing tricks, stay updated with VideoProc Flagger. Be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!